Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto pasta Indian style. We'll begin by gathering our fresh ingredients, focusing on a blend of classic pesto components and vibrant Indian spices. This fusion creates a truly unique and flavorful experience that's both comforting and exciting. Get ready to transform your pasta night with this simple yet innovative recipe. Now, let's create our Indian-inspired pesto. Start by blending fresh basil and cilantro, which forms the aromatic foundation. Next, introduce green chilies and a piece of fresh ginger to give it that distinctive Indian warmth and a gentle kick. For a rich, creamy texture, add some cashews or peanuts. A touch of lemon juice and a pinch of salt will balance the flavors perfectly. With our pesto ready, it's time to bring everything together. Cook your preferred pasta according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente. While the pasta cooks, quickly sauté some colorful vegetables, such as bell peppers and onions, until they are tender crisp. Finally, combine the cooked pasta, the vibrant Indian pesto, and your sautéed vegetables, tossing gently to coat every strand. To serve, garnish your Indian pesto pasta with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro and a bright squeeze of lime juice for an extra burst of flavor. This dish is wonderful served warm as a satisfying main course, or even as a unique side dish. It's a fantastic way to enjoy pasta with a delightful twist. Also, for those looking to truly change how they think about money, check out the link in the description for a fantastic book. Along with other exclusive deals we've curated just for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.